ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ नवमोऽध्यायः। राजविद्या योगः। श्रीभगवानुवाच इदं तु ते गुह्यतमम् प्रवक्ष्याम्यनसूयवे। ज्ञानं विज्ञानसहितम् यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात्। इदं तु ते गुह्यतमम् प्रवक्ष्याम्यनसूयवे। ज्ञानं विज्ञानसहितम् यज्ञात्वा मोक्ष्यसे शुभात्। Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. The Supreme Lord said, Idam, this too, indeed, te, to you, guhyatamam, the highest secret, pravakshyami, I shall impart, anasuyave, to one who is not envious, jnanam, knowledge, vijnana, realization, sahitam, along with, yat, which, jnatva, having known, mokshyase, you shall be released, ashubhat, from miseries. Rajavidya rajaguhyam pavitramidamuttamam pratyakshaavagamam dharmyam susukham kartumavyayam. Rajavidya rajaguhyam pavitramidamuttamam pratyakshaavagamam dharmyam susukham kartumavyayam. Rajavidya, the king of all knowledge, Rajaguhyam, the most profound of all secrets, Pavitram, pure, Idam, this, Uttamam, highest, Pratyaksha, by direct perception, Avagamam, realizable, Dharmyam, righteous, Susukham, very easy, Kartum, to practice, Avyayam, imperishable. अश्रद्धधानाः पुरुषा धर्मस्यास्य परन्तप अप्राप्य मां निवर्तन्ते मृत्युसंसारवर्त्मनि अश्रद्धधानाः पुरुषा धर्मस्यास्य परन्तप अप्राप्य मां निवर्तन्ते मृत्युसंसारवर्त्मनि Ashraddhanaah, those who have no faith. Purushaah, persons. Dharmasya, of dharma. Asya, this. Parantapa, O Arjuna, conqueror of enemies. Aprapya, without attaining. Mam, me. Nivartante, return. Mrityu, death. Samsara, material existence or the cycle of rebirth. Vartmani, to the path. The wise one abides by dharma and selflessly surrenders to God. Thus purified, he becomes self-realized and experiences the secretive, imperishable and divine wisdom of Brahmajnana. Such a wise one is eternally freed from evil and misery. In contrast, the ignorant one, devoid of Shraddha, pursues the path of adharma. He cannot experience the divine and repeatedly returns to the mortal world. The Supreme Lord said, O Arjuna, to you who are free from envy, I shall now impart this most secret knowledge along with realization, upon knowing which you shall be released from the miseries of material existence. This is the king of all knowledge and the most profound of all secrets. It is the purest and realizable by direct perception. It is righteous, imperishable, and very easy to practice. O conqueror of enemies, persons who have no faith in dharma are unable to attain me. They repeatedly return to the path of material existence, the cycle of death and rebirth. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Idam tu te guhyatamam Pravakshyamyanasuyave Jnanam Vijnanasahitam Yajñātvā mokṣyase shubhāt. Idam tu te guhyatamam Pravakshyamyanasuyave Jnanam Vijnanasahitam Yajñātvā mokṣyase shubhāt. Rajavidya Rajaguhyam Pavitramidamuttamam Pratyakshaavagamam dharmyam Susukham kartumavyayam. राजविद्या राजगुह्यं पवित्रमिदमुत्तमम् प्रत्यक्षावगमं धर्म्यं सुसुखं कर्तुमव्ययम्। अश्रद्दधानाः पुरुषा धर्मस्यास्य परन्तपा अप्राप्य मां निवर्तन्ते मृत्युसंसारवर्त्मनि। अश्रद्दधानाः पुरुषा धर्मस्यास्य परन्तपा अप्राप्य मां निवर्तन्ते मृत्युसंसारवर्त्मनि।